where it can work.
Morning, Morgan.
Which is why so many people now use Sinex Ultrafine Mist. It's twice as fine as ordinary sprays, so its medicine goes up and stays up to give you the best relief possible. You don't have to stand on your head to get relief. Just get Sinex Ultrafine Mist.
At Vons, when it comes to keeping up the store, we don't miss a beat. So you'll find everything as fresh at the end of the day as it was in the morning.
And this week, you'll also find beef rib roast for just $1.89 a pound. Rich, satisfying U-Ban coffee, now 2 cans for $3. And large, sweet navel oranges, 4 pounds for just $1.
It's alive.
FM 92. Rock with a beat.
Byron Allen's next show is Smoking.
If I'm in a $200 car, I don't have to stop for anybody.
With a sizzling Stacy Q, a sultry Stephanie Mills, sound effects from Michael Winslow, and the hilarious George Carlin.
I went straight from shenanigans to crimes against humanity.
You're gonna love the next Byron Allen show.
Tonight at 11:30, only on 7.
Next on the new Twilight Zone.
Merry Christmas. Kids, we have present for you.
Something special from the place where Santa lives when he's not up north.
Sometimes you can tell by the way it looks. Sometimes you can tell by the way it feels. Sometimes it comes to you in broad daylight. Sometimes you find it in the middle of the night. But you know when you got the right one. This is the right one. You know when you got the right one.
A&P's making news. Ladies, kids, and gents. Got a barbecue chicken sandwich. Only 89 cents. You lose those high-priced fast food blues.
Get out of those blues and get into A&P Mini Market's regular chicken sandwich or new barbecue chicken sandwich for just 89 cents.
Yeah, come on people, to the right address. Fill up at A&PM and you'll fill up a less.
Dazed by the holidays?
Relax, we've got your holiday gift list covered.
Bosses.
Buddies.
Surfers.
Wild ones.
Superstars.
Executives.
Scientists.
Conservatives.
Eccentrics.
Technocrats.
VIPs.
Perfectionists.
Goalies.
Mommies.
Wardens.
Experts. Time is running out. But we're not. Swatch.
At May Company.
I found it.
Search for clues in the Westwood Inferno tonight at 11.
is in the air. Everywhere I go, I hear the sound of Christmas, the joyous sound of a choir singing, the sacred sound of the church bells ringing, the happy sound of friendly footsteps crunching through the newly fallen snow. The sound of children giggling with delight, the sound of an organ full and rich and bright, bringing joy to the world, the first Noel. And silent night, the sound of Christmas is all around, and each sound I hear fills my soul with a love that's growing, growing more and more till it's overflowing, overflowing with peace and good cheer. I'm glad I'm here to hear the sound of Christmas once again. This
From Salzburg, Austria, Julie Andrews, The Sound of Christmas, starring John Denver, The King's Singers, and special guest star Placido Domingo. Julie Andrews, The Sound of Christmas, brought to you by AT&T. In long-distance services, information and network systems, telephones and computers, AT&T is the right choice.
It was like an operation in the heart of Berlin, and the heart was divided.
I called my mother in East Berlin.
Then I called my sister in East Germany.
It's wonderful around this time, especially around Christmas time. I mean, they can come and go.
I have seen with my eyes. The war is open, mother. Come, you can see me.
What a wonderful world.
Happy holidays from all of us at Angelsoft and Georgia Pacific.
Tots, the premium champagne.
Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. Christmas in Salzburg. Oh, so many happy memories. Here where the Sound of Music was filmed, the people are still as warm and friendly as I remember them. And the city seems to have been preserved for eternity in a delicate white blanket of snow. I hear the sound of church bells, smell the wonderful aroma of holiday cooking, and relish the look of welcome that warms the soul. I've come to Salzburg with some very special friends to give a Christmas concert. Bringing music to Salzburg is like bringing coals to Newcastle. After all, this is the birthplace of that genius, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. It was here that he wrote many of his magnificent works, symphonies, operas, masses, and, of course, the divinely inspired Christmas fantasy. You don't remember that? I hadn't heard of it either until quite recently.
Well, it's about time you showed up. You singers are all the same. I call a rehearsal for 5 o'clock. It's almost 6.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't expect to be here.
Come in, come in, come in. You're not the only one. The instruments haven't shown up either. I don't know how they expect me to give a concert in 2 hours with no instruments, a singer who hasn't even seen the score of my new Christmas pastiche.
Oh, no.
And there's not even a pot of coffee in sight.